Hello and welcome to another video. Today it's just a quick update on how far we are with the GR. Unfortunately, this one's still sitting here. Down there we have a brand new short block. This is gonna get or become the spare engine. The other engine, we should get that in about a week, and hopefully that works out. We are waiting for quite some time now, but hopefully all goes well, and then we have the engine in a week. Then we have to put it in back there. In this box there's the gearbox. Back there, here's next to my little giraffe, there's the turbo. But we're finished 90% with the body, and it looks absolutely amazing. I really like the rears. It's absolutely mental. We're gonna get the wing back here. This one's still missing. We should get that also in a couple of weeks, because the first actual test day we're gonna have is in a month. So we have still a lot of work to do. Maybe we don't make it. One of the things we need to do is, as you can see, the doors, they still miss windows and everything. We're gonna put the stock doors back on before the test, because we just can't do it in time. I had surgery a couple of weeks ago, couldn't work on the car for about a month, so that's why we're a little bit behind schedule. But nonetheless, let me show you the body kit we installed today. Today we worked here with 3 people, basically the whole day, and it looks absolutely bonkers.
Only getting started when it's midnight, keeping it tight. If a nigga wanna go to war, it can get dark, but we stay bright. Coming like a night, it's on sight. Ever touch my sleeve? Niggas around there wanna disagree when it's clear that I'm speaking facts. Man like me, you know I'm proactive. Never gonna stop till I see the big man's on flats.
Hop on the front door, it's like midnight. Don't lose your grip, cause you might fall out again. Off-white whip, need for speed. I'm not switching the lane. Pick up the pace. Bro like that, and we're back to the base.
Back to the base.
By the way, these wheels, they are 11 by 18 with an offset of 12, I think, or 15, I think 12. And the rears, I could use some spacers. It looks absolutely mental. But I love it. And it looks very, 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 very nice. The body kit, the quality is also carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber.
The quality of the body kit is very nice. There's some issues with it. Mainly we get different side skirts, or we get the new side skirts. These ones are broken. We still haven't got the new ones. Right now everything's bolted together. There's a few bolts missing, and these are just screws actually. So we're gonna put nuts and bolts on them just to secure everything fine. Some edges aren't perfect aligned, and unfortunately there's a lot of, how do you say, tension on them. So we can't actually fix that. Oh yeah, the things are missing, and in here everything's missing. But we're gonna get there. Maybe in time, maybe not. Anyway, so we did cut the rear fenders around 6-7 centimeters high. Maybe I can show it to you. I also have a video how we cut it. As you can see basically nothing, but everything's welded back together. We did cut out quite a lot actually. to make everything fit. It's 50 millimeters wider than stock. And at the front, I could lift the car up. That would be easier, right? But who wants easy? There's also cut up there. I have to check if I have any pictures. So the body kit is far from plug and play. You need an experienced body shop, which luckily me, I have a friend who's very experienced with stuff like that. So he helped me with everything. And as you can see, these frames, they need to be bent quite a lot, and they still have a lot of tension. That's why ours is just, it's just time is running out, and that's why we're gonna put on the stock doors. After the first race in April, we have a 2-month pause, so that's when we're gonna install everything, the windows, and we have plastic windows, the carbon doors and everything. We're gonna install that then, because as it is right now, it takes maybe a day and a half to finish it. And yeah, so we still have some work to do, but I'm looking forward to it. Gonna be fun. Hopefully we get the engine. That's my main concern at the moment. And but if we get that in time, I think we're gonna make it. We have Acme for 2 days. They're gonna map everything again. Was a lot of work, still is, but the car is looking, I absolutely love it. And you have so wide wheels, and they just disappear under the body kit. I'm very interested in how heavy the car actually is. I have no idea. It's gonna be lighter because, most likely lighter because we removed a few parts, we cut a few parts, but the body kit is heavier than the parts we removed, so we added a few kilograms. The doors and the plastic windows gonna shave a few kilograms, and some other parts gonna shave a few kilograms as well. Maybe we're gonna be 10 kilograms lighter, but a lot more track, a lot wider, which is gonna slow the car down on the straight, but most likely gonna be faster on in the corner. So yeah, and we get a new rear wing. These are the new struts, or yeah, struts we designed. They're quite similar to the old ones. They're just a little bit lower and a little bit closer to the car. The reason I wanted that is because for me it just looked a little bit odd. The wing was too high up and too far back. Now it's gonna be a little bit more or closer to the body, and gonna look better, I think. And the wing's gonna get bigger. Why not? That's it for this video. That's the current update, and hope we're gonna make it. If not, I don't care. We have another GR, the white one, which I'm gonna use for some track days until this one's finished. Yeah. So, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. And yeah, see you next time. Have a good week. Goodbye.